pH sensors, they're everywhere. And for process consistency, they must measure reliably all the time. So your maintenance team is constantly on the run, cleaning and calibrating, often at measurement points in challenging or even health hazardous locations. And let's face it, you need your maintenance team for more complicated tasks. It's a problem with a solution. Powered by ISM technology, EasyClean 500 automatically cleans and calibrates pH sensors wherever and whenever necessary, even in hazardous areas. In fact, it reduces measurement point maintenance by up to 80%. That means it's also ideal for those maintenance-intensive measurement points you thought were too expensive to operate. EasyClean 500 from METTLER Toledo. Fully automated pH sensor cleaning and calibration. Problem solved.